So here are the results from the chromatography experiment. So here are the individual pens. Let's see, where's my finger? All right, so this was the Aiken pen, Cochrane, Dawkin, Canopic, of course, and here's Tollet. The bleed over here is from me folding the paper into that cone shape. But anyway, those are the ones that we're concerned with. One of the other things I forgot to mention was it was about the run of the compound. And so you can actually measure the length of these to find out how far they travel through this substrate. And so the one I'm looking at right here is Canopic, because this is the one that ran the furthest. But you can look and see kind of how far it ran up and where the colors stop along here. And you can kind of take that into consideration. You can look also over here. Cochrane's kind of ran. All the other ones didn't really run. Tollet's is just a mess. But you can measure from the mark you made and find out exactly how far they traveled. Okay, and then the suspect was a separate one. So the suspect I did by itself over here, and that was the pen that we found that it actually, or this is the ink off of the actual note, and those were the pens that we found in their classrooms, ha ha ha. And so you can take a measurement there and compare. It's pretty obvious who did the crime just merely based on the color separation, but maybe that wouldn't be true. Maybe it was an ink of a single color. Not that's happening with black, obviously. So you could look at the distance that it traveled rather than merely, the color separation. But anyway, if I go back and I look at the two of them together, you can obviously see which one it is. And you guessed it, Cindy Canopic. Well, there you go, Coach K. Miss you, girl. All right, that was the end of the separation techniques. On to number 5.